Hello there, a very warm welcome and a good afternoon. Harry Adams is here today from KEFI because, well, you've highlighted a 4.7 million ounce resource base and the potential EBITDA of $100 million per year in your full year results. We're going to go through what's behind all of this and just talk more about these projections and the plan for your company as well, because of course you're at the loss-making stage at the moment. So first of all, what we'll do is we just get you to summarize the latest results, if you would please, Harry, for us.
Yes, well, essentially the company's in the middle of transforming itself from pure exploration into development construction with a view to production, obviously, where today we've got a shovel-ready project in Ethiopia that we're in the middle of a stage closing of, with a stage of closing this month and leading to various definitive agreements being signed off over the next couple of months, and then project launch for full construction in the third or fourth month. So that's the Tulu Kapi project. And over in Saudi Arabia, which is actually where I am at the moment, there's two projects, one of which is now being fast-tracked to complete its definitive feasibility study by the end of this year. That's called Jibal Qutman, and to start construction as soon as possible next year. And behind that, about a year or so behind that, is a much larger project called Hawiyah. So what you're seeing in the annual report, I suppose, is a bit of a tally, saying that we've spent 70-odd million pounds since listing the company in 2006, and the NPV of these three development projects for KEFI itself is a bit under 400 million pounds. So, if you like, on paper, we've had a lot of value, albeit that the stock market has yet to reflect anything like that. That's the tally, and also in the annual report we set out these milestones that are lying ahead of us over the next 6 months.
All right, should we maybe go through those stepping stones then in the next 6 months that you just mentioned there?
Yeah, well, the one that's most prominent is the closing process, which is, it's not just one signing date. This month we're talking of the umbrella agreement being signed by all the parties, which says they're all in, but these are the following conditions for each party, and then within the following 2 months to sign definitive agreements with each individual party, locking down final pricing on the contracts, and any loose ends, particularly from the government end. There are a few loose ends, and then full construction to follow. We've already started some development works, so that the first big milestone is Tulu Kapi closing over the next few months in its various steps. The second important milestone now is that Jibal Qutman, the gold project in Saudi Arabia, is being dragged forward, if I can put it that way, both because it can, because it was only being held up by regulatory processes, and they're now being sped up. And so we're looking to start up construction of Jibal Qutman early in the new year, and it may even be in production before the Ethiopian project, basically because it's a quicker development timetable in Saudi Arabia. And then the third one it's the much bigger one. It's growing because we're still drilling, and it's very much still growing, and that's the Hawiyah polymetallic project, mainly copper gold. Now, you mentioned earlier we'd reported 4.7 million ounces between the three projects, ounces equivalent, because a little bit of it's copper, but that's growing. So the metal inventory and the NPVs are growing as the resource grows and drilling's taking place. So you've got a pipeline of 3 development projects. You've got production in a couple of years, growing as the 3 of them come on. And then we're quite a significant production company.
All right, Harry, keep us up to date as always. We'll let you get back to it, working hard there in Saudi Arabia. That's Harry Adams joining us today from KEFI. Thank you very much indeed for your time.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
you.